Hey y'all, thank you for joining me for this quick tutorial on shaving clients and using the razor blade. Usually I use a Darko on most of my clients, and I like to make sure all the hair is taken off from the eyebrows to the forehead to the cheekbone. What I usually like to start off with is moisturizing the head and hair. Use a bit of water, maybe some alcohol too, depending on if this is after the cut. Most times it is. And yeah, we usually go forward with a little bit of a moisturizer mist, come through and get all those baby hairs figured out, lined up nicely, stretching the skin back as much as possible, making sure you get those curves in nice. Take your time with it, don't rush. Put all the little hairs in. Check out the results and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks guys.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.